Hello, I'm Wagner, and this is Knossium. It's been in development for like 8 months. Show off this game I'm currently working on. I'm gonna show a picture of what it used to look like right now. So from the point of this to here, although you may have missed a lot, this is, well, my game. So this is a turn-based, is, is like a roguelite or roguelike. I don't know. It's something like a roguelike where battling each party that you come across. This is sort of inspired by games like Slay the Spire, Shin Megami Tensei, and other RPG games. From how I got to this point, the pre-production, which was me creating a design document for the game. The design document for this game was widely different from what this game is, the first design document, because I always wanted to have lots of characters on the screen without having to do too much, micro, having to go to over this button and then press and other button and then press. Well, yeah. So that's what I was trying to go for. Here comes the first iteration of what the game is coming to sort of. So there is a 3D version of this game that's supposed to serve as a prototype since I did 3D modeling and other stuff, but I wanted to work on 2D, and so I'm going with that, but I'm still not at the part where you have to drag AOEs around. The things that you see on the screen, dragging shapes across the game. Still not at that point yet. So I started in Godot in 2D because I'm just looking to just do 2D, and Godot looked perfect to me because it's 2D and I can do the language quite fine. It's easy to learn. Well, I could also do Unity, but I think Godot I want for that because it's gonna be easily maintainable. Since I wanted to go for a long-term thing, I made this so it's very scalable. Characters can be created. Some of them can be created. Well, most of them, if you're doing the common type of enemy, is a fairly no code because I made everything using components, some of it's inheritance. It can easily go that way. But about this mechanic about dragging the AoEs around, like something from Blue Archive or something from, the Command and Conquer, where you place a what do you call them? Stratagems. I'll call them stratagems for now. That's the thing I was going for with the main way of attacking because in the original game, you used buttons like a normal RPG. But in this game, I want you to just move the AoE around because it's much more fun. Let's be honest. That's much more fun to do. So currently, I'm at the step of doing regular play tests. I just got my game integrating with Steam right now, getting some of those done, and a large part of those playtests is to make the player understand the game because of its unfamiliar concept. Those are the one that's developing the game. I thought people would be able to understand the game. Turns out no one understood the game. That's quite unfortunate, but that's how it goes. Anyways, that was pretty good, and I really liked the playtest. So the playtests were extremely useful for gathering information on how I should develop the game further and make it understandable for players. Anyways, that's it for this devlog. I didn't really get on to touch about other mechanics like the shop or the other areas. You just saw what on the screen right now. Anyways, there is a Discord if you want to join that, if you want to learn more about the game, stuff about it, stuff going on. Okay.